Hi everyone, welcome to Crochet Rocks. My name's Tracy and I have a bit of happy mail. So don't know if I brought in a pair of scissors. I did have a pair in here, but I know I took them because I was wrapping up a Christmas present, birthday present. Found another pair. I seem to have a lot of these, like these little ones. They kind of come in sets. All the small ones that nobody uses. So this arrived yesterday, but as you know, I was at the hospital with my son yesterday, so I didn't get to look at it. But I don't know who it's from by looking at it, because my address is on the front and my address is on the back. So it's inside this brown envelope that's all taped and taped well, which is a good job it did, because it busted open. There is polythene bag, so I'm going to try to get in without causing any damage. It's actually a lot easier than I thought. So I'm almost there. Okay, so here we are. Now inside I can see hobby written on the bag, but that's very taped. Very, very sellotaped. So I have still got my work cut out for me. Where to tackle it? Okay. It's done this very, very well. Very well. Oh, I'm getting there. I don't really want to be too, I've got to do it carefully, because I don't really want to go puncturing it and having a problem. So I feel like I should play you some music or sing or something while you wait, but then you just turn off if I sing. Maybe I should have got Mike to sing. Play this song or something to amuse you while you... I might... No, thought I was in. I thought I was in, but there's more this side. So can I get in this way? Let's have a look. Snip there. That's just... I might be able to... No. There's more bag under there, so hang on. It's been on very, very securely. Could be a very long video. I'm almost at the end, so right, now let's see. Oh, hang on. It's like, do you remember when you were a child? I've got to take this off, I'm getting hot. Do you remember when you were a child and you played Pass the Parcel? Do you remember that? Well, it's a bit like that. So, here I am. I've got another bag. This one has another label, so that might give me an idea who it's from. No, I can't read it. It's too taped. Too much sellotape. I might be able to figure it out if I study it. I'm hoping there's at least a card in there, because I know there was a couple of people going to be sending me. They said that they were sending me some stuff, so I'm not sure which one this is. Wow. Wielding scissors. Whoa, I think I'm in. Getting there. Look, I can see. Right. So, it's a bag. I thought I was in. I've got another bag. But then I see squishies. I see some squishies. Ooh. Look. This is called Noir. Chunky. Oh, but it looks like a beautiful midnight blue. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? Wow, I love that. Right, let's get in. Let's get in. That was just sitting on top. But we have another bag. That was just a little tantalising. Hang on. We could be in. Where's my... Let's get my light, shall we? Let's get my light. We might be able to see this. Honestly, I feel like a surgeon now with this on. Right, so this is Wendy Noir. Ah, yes, somebody did say that they still had some Wendy and they would send it to me. Oh, bless you. Right. Oh, I love it. It's so nice. That is, isn't that gorgeous? What a lovely colour. And there's this red as well. Look at that. Isn't that stunning? Wow. I'm hoping there's a letter or something in here, because my brain is not really at its best. No, there's nothing. So let's have a look. No, because that says Stephen, and there's the other. Bear with me. That's it. I just wanted to make sure it was Claptrap. So thank you so much. I could say your real name, but I didn't know if you want everybody to know it, so I won't. But look at this colour. This is amazing. I'm going to try and see this without blinding everybody. It just says shade 5424, but look at that. It's like a lovely purple and black, and this kind of gold lurex is just gorgeous. Right, let's see if I can see this yarn band. 80% acrylic, 16.5% wool, and 3.5% lurex, and 210 meters, 229 yards. So that would be the same for all of these. Isn't it gorgeous? Absolutely gorgeous. This is Wendy. So Peter Pan, Wendy, and one other brand. They're all the same kind of company, but as you know, I mentioned sometime that they went into administration. They kind of folded, and Derrimore's where I used to get all my Peter Pan and Wendy, and there's another name. There's Peter Pan, Wendy, and something else. Robin. So all of those brands are kind of lumped together, but this is just stunning. I absolutely love it. So we've got one of the red. So let's see. That I don't have a name, so it just is 5421. And we've got two of these lovely purples, just absolutely gorgeous. And those are 5424, but there are four of this gorgeous blue, and as you all know, I love blue. Blue is one of my most favourite colours, and this is 5422. It's so soft, but isn't it gorgeous? I absolutely love it. Thank you so much. And it was a bit of a mission to get in, but I got in, and I didn't cause any damage. That was my main concern, that I would not make any, like, do any damage getting into it. But I absolutely love it. Thank you. Oh, it is just stunning, isn't it? I absolutely love it. It's so pretty. It's just, I'd never seen this in the shop. I know that I might have if I'd gone, you know, to a larger store, like maybe Hobbycraft, but again, I never saw this in Hobbycraft in all the times that I've been. But wow, I guess you need a store that stocks mostly the Peter Pan, Wendy, Robin ranges. But I just love this. So lovely. I love the purple. Just gorgeous colour. Absolutely lovely. And obviously love the blue. And the red. It's just as yummy. So thank you. I don't know what to say. Everybody who's been watching my channel recently knows that, God, I needed cheering up. So thank you so much, Claptrap. I absolutely love it. And wow, it's beautiful. So I'm so glad I found the name, because I wasn't sure. I couldn't I would have had to have looked back through my emails to see who it was, and I knew that a few people were sending me bits, and I didn't want to get it wrong, because I'm kind of away with the fairies at the moment, as you can appreciate, with all the personal stuff going on. It clouds your normal kind of functioning. So, but I absolutely love it. Thank you so much. Thank you for the mission as well. I love it when a parcel. No, don't get me wrong. Don't. That means everybody that's going to send me anything is going to tape it beyond beyond belief. But it's kind of cool to try and get in. So stay safe, everyone. Thank you so much, and I absolutely love it, and I look forward to using it. It's beautiful. So bye for now, everyone. Take care. Stay safe, everyone.